What's going on, guys? Long time no see. Welcome back to the Noble channel. Today we're going to be installing the new carbon fiber Noble front lip. So if you remember the last video, we did the gloss black JDM style Noble front lip. Now we're going to go ahead and install the carbon fiber one. So this is a new product that we want to showcase to you guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to pop the bumper off, take off our JDM style lip, and replace it with our new carbon fiber lip. So we can showcase the product to you, you can see it and see if it's something that you want. Now if you do want it step by step, we're going to go ahead and time lapse this so that we can get straight to the point. But if you do want a step by step video, I'm going to link the install video to this lip in the description. It's going to be almost exactly the same install, besides we won't have to run the weather stripping on this. So the carbon fiber one isn't going to come up as high, it doesn't require that weather stripping, so it's just going to be self-tap screws. But we're going to go ahead and time lapse it for you so you'll still get an idea of how it's installed. Alright, check this thing out, guys. I'm super excited to get this thing on the car and show it to you guys. This is our new carbon front lip. So this thing looks great. There's a real deep gloss shine to it. You can see this thing looks great. So we're going to go ahead and get this thing installed for you. So I wanted to show you guys that we did use all of our pre-drilled holes and we still have 4 screws left. What I would recommend doing is maybe an extra screw right there, right there, right there, and right there. So basically an extra screw in the middle of this piece and 2 extra screws in the front right by these tabs. These holes here are actually, I had to make separate holes because as you see, I already have a hole drilled there in the bumper, so I actually couldn't, put the screw through there, so I put it in beside it. But so far this thing is looking great, guys. It's sitting nice and flush, it's sitting even, everything's good to go. So I'm just gonna put a couple more self-tappers in just to secure it. So that's just gonna help. If you do end up bottoming out on anything, it'll help support it a little bit more. Well guys, that's going to be it for today's install. That is the Noble carbon front lip. So I'm going to leave a link for that in the description. So if you're looking to buy one, you can check that out there. And I'll also leave a link in the description of where that other install video was for you if you want that step-by-step tutorial. So pretty simple job. It looks great. Really changes up the front end look of the car. And if you have other carbon accents, it is going to pair perfectly with them. So that's going to be it, guys. Thanks for checking out the video. Make sure you subscribe if you don't want to miss upcoming videos and new products. I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.